Hello and welcome to our presentation of Plans and Didier's 2012 calendar. So here we are already in the month of January. You can see by the ice on the trees that this picture didn't come from Provence. I've written the names of the holidays on the grid on the bottom part of the calendar. Here we are already in February. February, of course, is for St. Valentine's Day, which explains the heart on the top part. There you'll notice that I've written St. Valentine's on the 14th. March is for spring, of course, something that we're waiting for since about November. This is our mimosa tree, which unfortunately died last winter, but the flowers were pretty the year before. On into April, a lilac. April is also for Easter, and Easter is noted on the calendar as well. Now, of course, I've done everything in French. All of the days, everything, all of the sayings, everything is written in French. In May, even though Mother's Day here in France is in June next year, I left the month of May for mothers and the month of June for fathers. That's sort of the theme of the 2 months. The Mother's Day is different here in France than it is in North America and elsewhere. Here we are into July. Nature is out into its fullest, and on this very strange looking flower that we've got growing on our riverbank, we have some bees. August is for the month of vacation in France. Here we are down on the coast. On the 5th of August, I've got a special little note for Nicole, a friend of ours, a calligraphy friend who passed away this year. And then in September, it's back to school, learning, kids, and then the leaves that are starting to change colors. And then on into October. This picture came from home too, from Canada. These are maple trees. There's not many of those here, not those colors anyway. And then into November. November is for All Saints' Day. Here it's a national holiday on the 1st of November. So that's why I've got the picture of the Abbey and a saying about God and his saints. And then once I can get the page turned for December, here we are, Christmas tree, bows, winter, giving and receiving. That's all the theme for the month of December, with a note for New Year's Eve. On the last couple of pages, I've written a little blurb about the association. I've written another little note for Nicole, and I've given credit for the sources of the quotes and the photos. Now, on the front part of the calendar, you notice I've left a blank space, white space. That's where you can write a little note, if you like, for the person that you're going to give this calendar to. On the back, you just have the address, the email address and the site of the association. And if you want, going back to the front cover, calligraphy the name into the white space that's there, as I showed in a very brief picture that went through. And there we go. Happy New Year to you all. Bye-bye.